Hi, all you SPMEs out there. Today's question has 3 answers, and the third answer is a secret you're going to want to stick around for, because I'm going to explain to you a little bit about the confusion with regards to your print books on CreateSpace. So let's get into it. The question that was sent in was how to use Amazon self-publishing sign-in. And the reason the person asked this exact question is because, first, it can be difficult to figure out. You go to the Amazon page, but you're like, I don't see how I can publish books from the main Amazon page where you buy stuff. And the answer is, well, you can't. And so you have to go to a special web page. But then there's some other questions regarding what exactly do you find when you do log in, and where are the paperback books? So I'm going to get into all of these issues today, and I hopefully will answer every one of your questions on this. This is Chris Baird from selfpublishingmadeeasynow.com, where self-publishing doesn't have to be so hard. Click the subscribe button if you'd like for me to make more videos like this one, and check out below in the description. I've got my absolutely 100% free checklist that will give you the secrets necessary to increase the earnings that you're making on your books. So, how to use Amazon self-publishing sign-in? Well, when I first got started, I was using a system, a book that I had bought at the time, that went through exactly step by step. It told you which website to go to and where to click and how to do that. So I never really actually had this question when I was doing it. But one of the big things to get you started is the fact that we're going into Kindle Direct Publishing. And that is where self-publishing is done. So that's KDP. And by going in there, we're able to get access to our account. But at the time for me, I also had to go to a CreateSpace account if I wanted to get my paperbacks done. So it would be a different website, but it was still under the umbrella of Amazon, but that's no longer the case. But we'll get to that in a little bit. So how to use Amazon self-publishing sign-in? Well, the answer is you need to go to https://kdp.amazon.com/. So kdp.amazon.com should get you to the place you need to be in order to log in. And if you haven't logged in before, you may need to create an account, which takes very little time, and you'll have it up and going in no time in order to start uploading your manuscripts and get started on your self-publishing. But there's a number of things you'll find once you log in. The first is your bookshelf, and this is where you can add new books. You can also edit books, and I like the fact you can go under those books that are located there, and you can run ads and campaigns. You can set them for their 90-day free or whatever it might be that you would do with the different campaigns and options that are available under your individual books for the promotions that you're trying to do. In addition, you can go to the reports area where you can see the number of sales that you've had day by day. You can see both the pages read, you can see your ebook sales, you can see your paper book sales. It gives you a good view. And you can go to their beta reports, and that gives you an even better view with colors and even more graphs that you can play around with. So there's an awful lot of options you're definitely going to want to check out under reports. Then under community, you can find other writers and such if you have questions that you can post, and you can get some help and feedback, though I personally prefer Facebook groups as a great source of finding the latest and best strategies. Sometimes the community area is not as helpful as Facebook groups are. So, it's up to you. You should definitely check out both and see what's great for you. And the final one is marketing. Now, I personally like to just go under the bookshelf under an individual book and do the marketing from there. But you can go under the marketing panel itself. I just never use it. But that's something you're definitely going to want to check out. And now, the secret answer for today, and that is after the end of CreateSpace, because CreateSpace got bought up by Amazon, but eventually they got rid of the website that you would normally go to for CreateSpace. It was replaced by KDP Print, which, surprise, surprise, you can get to there from kdp.amazon.com as well. So instead of just seeing your Kindle, your ebooks there, you'll also see your paperback books. And if you have a new one, you just click Add Book. And so you're able to add the book for your different options that are available. And when you run ads, you can also set up ads on both of them at that particular location. I like to keep those ad campaigns separate from each other, the ebooks and the paperback books, but it depends upon what you find as most helpful for you. So hopefully I was able to answer your question on this issue of where to go. So how to use Amazon self-publishing sign-in? What have you found? Have you found it to be difficult getting logged in? Sometimes there's double authentication and other challenges. Go ahead and let me know below in the comments, and check up above me here for more answers to your self-publishing questions. Thanks.